Based on our philosophy of Kiyosei, living and working together for the common good, Canon firmly believes in developing and manufacturing products in a sustainable way. The UV Gel ink technology and the Colorado family of print engines are designed to have minimal ecological and health impact. The GreenGuard certification program gives assurance that products designed for use in indoor spaces meet strict chemical emissions limits and so contribute to the creation of healthier interiors. It focuses on emissions from building materials, in this case, printed wall coverings and signage. Compared to other ink technologies such as latex or eco-solvent inks, UV Gel requires considerably less ink to build up the same image quality and color intensity. With a saving of up to 40% less ink consumed, this is not only an economical benefit, but also a clear ecological advantage. Also, with UV Gel technology, you can print on environmentally friendly materials like PVC-free and paper-based media, even uncoated. The Colorado series of printers come equipped with internal filters and can be installed and operated in the foreseen space without dedicated extraction installed, on or at the machines. Radiation emitted while in operation is below the threshold limit values for UV, visible and IR radiation, according to ACGIH Institute standards, and noise emission is tested according to ISO 7779, EN 27779, and verified to be maximum 66 dB at the operator position. The low heat curing process, energy-efficient LED curing, and no warm-up time with instant-on printing result in lower energy consumption of the Colorado printers. Our new UV Gel ink production facility has been designed with sustainability in mind and delivers maximum energy savings by reusing cooling capacity from other production plants on our campus and a heat exchange unit to warm the cool air coming into the building. And all of our products are built to last, prolonging their lifetime and thereby saving resources wherever possible.